These original donut shop mocha lattes are so delicious, and these work for Keurig machines. And what you're gonna do is put it inside, snaps it into place, and we just love this Keurig Duo. And then all you have to do is click for a K-cup and how many ounces. I'm gonna pick 8, and then you just click this button here in the middle for it to start the process. And very soon, we're gonna have a delicious cup of coffee. And this K-Duo is great for 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, whether it is a Keurig K-Cup pod or a pot. And on this side is where the pot is located. And over here is where the brew basket is for you to put your filter in and your favorite blend of coffee. And this is like having a mocha hot chocolate. So good. Smells so good, and it's so hot too. This is my favorite part, having my first sip. Tastes heavenly. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.